Hello guys, welcome again to another video. Today, we are gonna be limousine driver. Yes, and we're making a company too. This is a limousine company. Okay guys, let's go do limousine company guys. Limousine, lemo, lemo, limousine company. Here we're gonna get orange. Yan, limousine company. Yan. Limousine company. And let's go say ABC for a limo. We're gonna say ABC for a limo, guys. Oh, hi. Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride? Do you need a ride? Hello? Okay. They're not talking. I don't know if they, do you need a ride? Yeah, do you think I'm gonna ban this guy? This girl? Uh, do you need a limo? Do you need a limo? Ride? Again. Excuse me. Wow, nice fairy tales. Do not waste my time. This girl's never been. I'm gonna warn you. Are you gonna buy it? No. Okay. Okay, guys. That guy. That girl is very standable. I don't know. Okay, let's go patrol to the city. Kasi maybe they need a limo, right? We're doing a business here, and that girl. Let's go say. Let's say. Hello. Hello. Do you need a limo ride? Do you need a limo ride? Do you need a limo ride? Oh, hi. Wait, who said yes? Yes? Okay, come. Where we gonna go? Where we gonna go? Beach. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the beach and then I have. We're going to the beach. Okay, wait. I need to ban this. Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go today. Okay, let's go. A beach. Okay, we have a first customer. That is a great start. Okay, guys, nighttime. Okay. Huwag tayo mag-crash para magandang rating natin. Yon. Okay, guys. Right here. Right here. I almost crashed. This is a Lake Madison. That's not a beach. The beach is... Okay, we're on the beach now, guys. There you go. Let's go make it the first stop. 15. Thanks. Okay, I need to pay $15. Welcome. It's $15. so much. I want to eat that. Okay, guys. Okay, we earned 15 bucks. Okay, now let's go to our next stop. Next up, let's go get some customer. Okay. Okay, we're gonna be here again because people's ABC need a taxi. I know taxi. No, we're not a taxi. We need a limo ride. Wow, Lux. Need a limo ride? Hello? Okay, that's a great start. Hey, need a limo ride? Hello, do you want a limo? Hi, I'm helping people here. Okay, okay, wait, girl, wait. Do you need a limo ride? Do you need a limo ride? Hello, do you need a limo ride? Okay, kung wala dito sa city, punta tayo sa mga bahay. Wow. That, okay, maybe let's go to the beach para we're gonna spend our money in the beach na lang kasi no one like people's like having a car na maybe they don't want to. Okay, they are on the beach. Okay, let's go to hello. Hello. Do you need a ride? Need a ride? I know you have a car, but you back? Yes. Do you need a ride again? You need a ride. I have a car already. I will it it uh uh and is is only is only 10 bucks. Yeah, discount ko ikaw, discount. 10 bucks. I don't have money. 10 bucks. There. No 50. No, it's only 10 bucks. Talaga, kasi beach, I have. Okay, yay, fine. Okay. Let's go. Where we gonna go? Okay, let's go back. Beep. Okay. Okay, house 21. Okay. Oh, house 21 yan. Okay. Okay, let's go to the house 21. Yeah, house 21 is beside because it's 12, diba? Sa kabila yun. Kasi doon, 12, wait, kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ay ang hotel at apartment. Okay, this is 24, 23, 20, yan, dito yata. Here. Thank you so much. Thank you again. Okay. Who are you? Bro, why are you thinking, come. Okay. That, we are like, the 15 and 10, that's pretty enough. Okay, guys. Now, let's go to the gas station and then refill our gas and then ready for our next day. And that is all for the video. Thank you again for coming. And I thank you for coming. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting me always. And see you again to our next coming vlog. See you and peace out. Goodbye.